Hi guys, I just finished coming out from the shower. I'm coming back. I've run out of my paper towel. This is what I use in cleaning my face. I'm coming guys. So what I want to say is that this video will be my photo shoot, what is it called, video for my birthday. My birthday is on Friday. And I was supposed to do this photo shoot in the professional photo shoot studio, but guess what, it is so expensive. And now, not that I can't afford it, I can afford it because it's 35, 12. That should give us total should give us 80 something thousand naira, or if I'm not mistaken 90 something. Okay, so the thing is that I'm looking at the makeup now. This kind of person that doesn't like makeup at all. Why don't I like making up my face, beating my face? It is because now, after the whole hours of sitting down of doing your makeup, once the photo shoot is done, you'll be left alone to clean the makeup yourself. And that, because now I'm acne prone skin, my skin is prone to acne, I have to make sure I clean it properly, and that will also take me some either minutes or 1 hour to do that. And I don't want to go through that stress of making up my face, what is it called, taking pictures and coming back to cleaning my face. So I just thought about it. I said, no way, I'm going to take the picture myself. My sister is going to help me take the picture. My clothes has already been made. My sister made the clothes. She's a what is it called, stylist. She's a stylist. She make already made what is it called, clothes. So should in case you want to patronize her, you guys are going to be seeing the clothes later in this video. This is 8:28 a.m. I just finished, taking my shower. I don't know why my body is itching me. I just finished taking my shower and I can't find her at home. She left this morning and I called her. She said she's coming back. So, sorry, my body is itching me. I don't know why it's itching me. So yeah, like I was saying, I just finished, having my shower, and I'm going to now prepare my things, the things I want to use for the photo shoot. I'm not going to be beating my face, just my bare face. Yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing. So no makeup. If you guys realize, you know that I always do my videos with my bare face. Now, this is the first time I'm doing eyelash, okay? I can't even wash my face properly because of this eyelash. So reason why you see those nails, eyelash, I don't like when I'm taking my shower and something is stressing me out. I don't like it. So I want to quickly do my skincare and wait for my sister to come because she said she's coming. She's on her way coming. Then we'll start the photo shoot, and I'm also going to carry you guys along. Your girl is getting older. Your girl is getting older, guys, but we thank God for good health. We thank God for, everything. I where I am now is better than where I am coming from. The things I have achieved, I could not achieve them the past years, if that is correct. So I'm so happy with where I am now. I can afford 3 square meal a day, even 6 square meal a day, if you understand. So yeah, a lot of things I'm not lacking. Nothing. I'm not lacking. The health is there. Everything is there, okay? So I want to appreciate God. I think you guys might be seeing this video on my birthday. So I want to appreciate God for everything, and thank God for life. Thank God for everything. Thank God. So as for the photo shoot, my friend was even laughing that she knows that I was not going to do the photo shoot. Kinika. I said, it's not me to pay that money to do that photo shoot. Let me go and buy wig. Let me go and buy bone straight. I don't have black bone straight. Let me go and buy it and put it in my head so that I will know that, okay, it was during my, although that is not my birthday gift, okay, I will know that, oh, that is what I use my photo shoot money to buy. Is now I am a lover of perfume. I love smelling good. You see these wigs, I don't even fancy them that much, but you know, you have to put on wig. But you see perfume, I'm running out of my perfume collection now. Like, I'm looking at them now, I'm not happy with the little perfume collection I have. So I am a lover of perfume. I love smelling good. You see perfume, I don't joke with it. I can spend 500,000 naira in perfume. So that is me. But you see makeup, eyelash, nails, no. So now I remember that I have the nails I bought in Temu. Is it Temu? Sorry, Shane. I still have them, so I'm going to be using them. Focusing, yeah. So these are the nails I'm going to be using. And the shoe I bought for my photo shoot. Let me show you guys. This is the shoe I bought for my photo shoots that I'm going to be using. I'm going to take the picture at home. So we are not going to professional studio. So yeah, this is the shoe. I love it. Now, I don't even wear heels. So this heels is just for the photo shoots. And also, yeah, let me stop talking and catch you guys when I'm taking the picture, when I'm getting ready. And I also have to do, what is it called, Instagram reels for the photo shoot. I'm going to use my other phone to do that. So yeah, see you guys later in this video. Two-piece from Bold Appeal. My sister made this two-piece. Stanley don't want to style his clients. And guys, I'm sweating. So what do you guys think about this two-piece? I'm done with my photo shoot. I just pray I find the good pictures. I'm so tired. This is the nails I fixed, which I'm going to be removing now. It's a press on nails. I'm removing them. And my camera is almost full. I don't like fixing this. Don't know what is wrong with my DJI. My DJI camera. Guys, my birthday is on Friday. I think this video will be coming us on. It's painful though. This video will be coming up on Friday. I'll be uploading it on Friday. So let me. Waiting. Eh? Marcia. What are you doing? What's not for there? I can't read that. Okay, it's time to remove my wig. Even the coils has, dropped already. But I'm still going to go keep it. So guys, I want to go have my shower. I'm tired. I'm sweating. Like the weather these days. So it's nothing to write home about. I'm coming. Let me pick up the nails I dropped. So guys, let me quickly put this video together because I'll be uploading it on Friday and see if I don't have anything to add to it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I know it's going to be a short video, so thank you so much guys for watching and wish me happy birthday under the comment section. Like I said, I'll be dropping it on Friday, which is my birthday, on the 21st. Let me check the. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, on the 21st is on Friday, so I'll be dropping this video on Friday. Wish me happy birthday under the comment section. You guys know I always reply to comments. Catch you guys later, and thanks so much guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Use this as my birthday gift. Please send me a birthday gift by subscribing, liking and commenting on this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video and you want to wish me happy birthday, the moment you finish typing happy birthday, please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much guys for your support. Thank you so much guys for your love. Thank you. I can't appreciate you guys enough. Okay, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. I've been seeing massive views on my channel which I've not been seeing before, so I want to really appreciate you guys. Like I said, wish me happy birthday in the comment section, and also once you are done typing happy birthday to Lily Star Girl, just hit on that subscribe icon and click on that post notification to keep you updated. Like and share. Bye guys. Mwah.